Shah Rukh Khan. The King Khan of Bollywood associated with more than 10 charitable foundations secretly. In the loving memory of his mother, SRK started the children's ward at Nanavati Hospital. Shah Rukh Khan runs the Mir Foundation. He gave up his office of Red Chillies Entertainment for BMC to set up quarantine facility. Salman Khan. The Bhaijan of Bollywood, Salman Khan, is known for his charitable works. He runs an NGO named Being Human. The NGO provides proper health care and education to underprivileged children across the country. He has sold some of his paintings and donated the money to open a medical camp for cancer patients and charge ₹2 for consultation. He has even donated his bone marrow to save the life of a little girl. Akshay Kumar. He is one such actor who is too popular in Bollywood industry for the charitable works he does. During the lockdown, the actor donated huge amount to PM Cares Fund to help the needy people. He has even donated huge money for the family of martyred soldier and even developed an app for people to donate directly to those families. Sonu Sood. Well, everybody knows how much Sonu Sood did for people who got stuck during the lockdown at several places. He has helped the migrant workers to reach their homes by providing buses and other transport methods to them. He has done many other charitable works too and is still continuing his noble work for the underprivileged people. John Abraham. This handsome hunk of Bollywood industry is an avid animal lover and he is an active member of PETA. The actor has donated a large amount of money for the organization. He has his own brigade named John Brigades for Habitat, which provides homes to the needy people. Amitabh Bachchan. The actor is associated with many charitable works and has a website named Generation where people can sell their clothes. The money earned by selling of clothes are used for educational purpose of underprivileged children. Nana Patekar. He is known as the real-life hero. Nana Patekar leads a very simple lifestyle and most of his earnings for people's welfare. He has been donating a sum of 15,000 each to the widows of farmers of Maharashtra who committed suicide or drought. He has donated almost 90% of his earnings of last 30 years in charity and leads a very simple life. Rahul Bose. He is an extremely talented actor of Bollywood industry, also known for his charitable works. The actor has adopted 6 children aged around 11 years from Andaman Nicobar Islands and he takes care of them.